Welcome all. I am Harini R, 3rd BCAF section from Bishop Ibu College, Trichy. Our project title is Securing Intercloud Communication, a Privacy Preserving Protocol for Distributed Trust Evaluation. She can explain the abstract of the project.
For Intercloud administration, a protocol for distributed trust evaluation that ensures secure defense scheme is presented. Cloud service provider, user, inquire, distributed feedback storage and privacy distributed network are the parties involved in this. The CSP work together to offer cloud service to consumers under the Intercloud system paradigms, and they also support one another. Users of cloud service may be support one another. Users of cloud services may be broadly divided into two categories: corporate users and consumers. Cloud service are used by consumers. The fingerprint machine's fingerprint verifications features allows the user to authenticate. That connection with a CSP is one-way service to consume users, and based on trust, it is possible for business users to offer services to one another. Two-way trust evaluations. Users can provide ratings for the service for specific trust attributes such as availability, response time, pricing and technical support after utilizing a cloud time, pricing and technical support after utilizing a cloud service or under certain agreements. This implies that during the feedback rating process, users are also raters. Note that we concentrate on assessing a single service or trust attributed in order to make the explanation easier. It is explained to access more than one service or trust attributes. The Intercloud Exchange or cloud service providers can implement a blockchain-based system to implement the FPS for the Intercloud systems. As an alternative, feedback can be stored in various distributed storage systems that offers integrity guarantees. We also assume that encrypted feedback is protected by a secret sharing network.
Now, she can explain the introduction of our project and the hardware software tools what we are using.
To enhance the security and transparency of cloud service, evaluation and feedback in a collaborative cloud environment, the proposed project introduced a distributed trust assessment protocol with privacy protection for intercloud management. The feedback and trust evaluation procedure involves multiple stakeholders, including cloud service, users or raters, enquires distributed feedback storage, and the privacy sharing networks. Business users engage with in a two-way trust evaluation. As a business, users may also provide service to one another, and also consume users authenticate through fingerprint verification and establish a one-way trust connection. Users can rate cloud service based on critical trust factors such as pricing, technical support, availability, and response time. For this trust evaluating system, we using software tools are PHP for website creations, SQL for database, CSS for styling, and hardware tools are we are using biometric sensors which connects in USB with PC.
So now I'm going to explain about the architectural design of our project, where when the user requests from the cloud service, it gets the fingerprint sensor and it stores in the database storage where we are using SQL for it. And after analyzing the fingerprint sensor, if it matches, because we are using two-way trust evaluation system, so business models have their two-way trust evaluation where the users are only able to get the single-way trust relationship model, where we could use only one-way trust evaluation where the business have their admin access to both the two-way trust evaluation. So here when the user wants to get the access to review or to take the images of the review session, they will be getting the sensors fingerprint sensor. After recognizing it, it allows the users to access Otherwise it declines the ownership to access the models and also get to enable the cloud services. And our model works on this basis of uh, requesting from the user and getting fingerprint authentication from them, and then we are using CSP like cloud service provider service, which ensures service for interconnection model, and the users could rate the services and gives the feedback storage in FBS, and we are using the secret sharing for privacy connected key, which ensures the every data into a privacy model, and it enables to trust the evaluation and takes the decision as per the data storage what it takes, and it inquires the access from trust data, and after inquiring it, based on the data storage, it able to decide whether to give access or to deny it. And after doing the process of this, our cloud services stops. So the performance and scalability of this project is the distributed architecture of the system enables scalability, allowing to handle increasing number of users and cloud service providers with minimal latency. The performance using demonstrated that the trust evaluation dominance of efficient even under high workloads. However, the computational overhead of the secret sharing and the storage of codes blockchain based FBS remains key challenges. And the challenges and potential enhancement while the system successfully improves the trust evaluation and privacy, and there are the areas for improvements. AI-based trust evaluation predictions could be more efficient, and also additionally optimizing the storage of computational requirements of the systems would make the efficient for large-scale deployment. So as we are going to showcase our output and the model how it works. So this is our output of a project trust evaluation system. First we are connecting the WAMP server. So just give OK, yes. And after going to the Google Chrome, login into your Gmail ID. After that we could see the cloud server and users page. So this is our server page where it ensures the two-way trust evaluation. So it has the users and admin login. So this is the login page of admin. So giving the username and password of the admin. So after giving it, just submit, and this is login successfully. So after it, this is the file uploaders of users. So these are the three files where it has the details, file size, date, and user's name. After that, user details. So the users have the such name, address, phone number, email, and server details. So after we are going to see the view. So these are the three servers where server 1, 2, 3. So this has the feedback details, like there are the three users, like given feedback of grade good and star values, e values, like that. And after we are going to use the cloud server. So this is the server 1, 2, and 3. So the server 1 has the user feedback access, and server 2 has the details of that ratings, and server 3 has the rating list of feedbacks. So we are going to register now. We are using the selection of server, name, gender, address, email ID, phone number, username, and password of the user. So user can be anyone to access the registration form. So we could upload any of our details. So we are just going to upload the file. For that we are going to register. First we want to give the such details of basic things, and after accessing the username and password, you will be having the login successfully message. So after pressing the password, click submit. So you will have received the registered successfully form. After you will receive the user login page. So here you want to submit the username and password, so which you have done a few seconds back. So after you will be logged in successfully. So after that you want to access by the fingerprint sensor. If could it match, it give the access, otherwise it denies the access. So it just verifying your fingerprint, so it may take about 2 seconds. After it you want to upload a file. So here you want to select a file. So here I'm randomly generating a file of selecting a file and file details of it. So after pressing this, click OK, and the file will be uploaded successfully. And after that I'm going to view the file which I was uploaded. So here I could see the status and I can download the file. So after that I'm going to give the feedback of this. So this will be, I'm going to randomly generating 4.4 of ratings. So after that I'm giving a feedback of my own wish. So I'm giving good. So after that feedback sent successfully. So now I'm going to log out from here. So after that from the server 1, 2, 3 I could rate the ratings of the file uploaded. So this is the login page of admin. So I could see both the details of what the user gives the ratings. So after logging in the admin page, here I could see the file uploaded, ratings and date, file size, etc. and all I could view it. So this ensures the trust evaluation system, and it could develops the unauthorized access, and it ensures the good platform of security, and it avoids the unauthorized access. So it improves the security and trustworthy of reviews.